Hi everyone, and welcome to week 9 of Writing 111. Over the weekend, I finished grading everything that you have submitted to me for a grade. So please double check all the work you have submitted for class and make sure that everything you think you have submitted that I have responded to and graded. If not, please let me know as soon as possible because midterm grades are due soon. So you're continuing to work on your rhetorical analysis this week. In terms of media, the only thing that I really want you to pay attention to, other than reading the source material for your paper, is to take a really careful look at these student sample papers to notice issues of formatting. So look at the student sample papers, not the professional papers. Those are for publication in professional journals. But make sure that you are reading carefully through these annotated student sample papers. They show you things like what your paper title should look like, what to do when you have a group author, or when you're citing 2 or more authors for the same kind of information. There's a few pages of annotated text. Pay attention to the levels of headings. I frequently look at these sample papers when I want to look at different kinds of references, and then I try to match what it is that I have to a sample before I complete my reference entry. So get used to looking through these student sample papers. When you have questions about formatting, this is where I want you to come. Don't look at old APA style information because much of it has updated in recent years. The other thing I want to draw to your attention is that on November 3rd, the Department of Writing is hosting an open mic reading. It's a celebration of writing. We invite you to bring along your favorite piece of writing to share. You can read under 3 minutes, or you can come and listen, cheer on your classmates and your professors. There will be free pizza. You can find this event in the Wolf Den, which is also the student union. Also due this week is the rhetorical analysis draft. And I would like you to submit the draft of your rhetorical analysis by Wednesday. So you have to turn in a draft by Wednesday, and I will put you in a peer review group. You'll talk with your groups briefly in class on Tuesday just to get the ball rolling. If I approve your draft on Wednesday, you can begin the peer review on Thursday, and it will be due by Sunday. So you have to complete the peer review by Sunday. I haven't heard from anybody about not attending class in person, so I expect to see you all there. If you have an emergency situation that comes up, I appreciate your advanced notice. If I have invited you for a meeting and you have not responded, you do not have my permission to attend class online. You must attend in person. Okay, I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Make sure you bring the working draft of your paper and be prepared to talk about what you're working on for your rhetorical analysis. See you tomorrow.